Here's how to make the perfect Wilton Rose. You're going to start off with a flower nail and a piping bag fitted with tip 104. This is the petal tip. You can see on a petal tip that the smaller side is tapered at the top and round at the bottom. This is very important when piping your rose to know which side faces up. In our case, we are having the tapered side facing the ceiling. Taking our flower nail and doing a small dollop of buttercream to attach a parchment square. Then you're going to take your buttercream. I have this one fitted with a number 12 tip, it's round, and I'm going to pipe a small mound on my parchment square. Then take your piping bag with 104 and you're going to create a ribbon around that top to create a rosebud. You're going to do that by twirling your flower nail in one direction and holding this in your other. And I'm going to squeeze and create a small ribbon. So you can see that little rosebud there. Then I'm going to go in and create half circles using a U-shaped motion on top of my buttercream rosebud. So I have 3 petal tips there. I'm adding 5 petals to the base, slightly angling my tip out every so gently. Then you have a Wilton Rose.